Hi guys, welcome back. This is GTM. So in this video I will show you how to completely uninstall Node.js and npm from your MacBook. Even if you are not sure how you installed it previously, I will cover all methods. So first let's figure out how Node.js was installed. So for that, open the terminal. I give the command in the description as well. Copy and paste in the terminal. First open the terminal and type which node and hit enter. So if you see opt/homebrew means you are installed through Homebrew. If you see /usr, it means you installed through official installer. So in this case I installed from official installer. So for that we need to give the another command. Check the description. So copy this and paste in your terminal. Hit enter. It will ask for the system password. Give the system password. So once you enter the password, hit enter. And now we need to remove npm and cache. Copy the command from the description and paste it. So once it's done, let's remove the global package as well. Once this is done, let's check node version and npm version. If it shows command not found, then we successfully uninstalled the Node.js from our MacBook. For Homebrew, I also give the comments in description. Please look into that, guys. Thanks for watching.